All right, hey, this is Josh with East Rolls West. We're trying to de-winterize our camper, and we're having a bit of an issue where we've gotten water to come out of our other faucets, out of the shower, and then even water running in the toilet. But for some reason, it started to run here in our kitchen and then just stopped. So we were having an issue with that. We've checked all the valves, double checked all the valves. Everything is looking good. Everything is pointed in the right direction, but we were still having this issue. So Megan did a little research. We found a YouTube channel for Johnny M. He was addressing this issue. And thank goodness we found Johnny's video because it was a simple fix. And that was as simple as this. If you look right here, almost all of your faucets are going to have the end connector here. If you just unscrew this, you've got the little mesh part down inside of there. Ours was completely filthy. It's red. You can see it now. It looks good. It was completely filthy, but now it should be good to go. So we're going to put this back on here and give it a test. So I'm just going to screw that back on. And I have to say, it was kind of hard to tell even that that was a separate piece. There's a very thin, almost hairline separation between the actual stem here and this end part. But now we're going to turn on the water and see what happens. And there we go. Johnny M, I don't know who else you've helped out there in the YouTube world, but you've definitely helped us. And I think this video can help some other people. So thank you.